Welcome to Figure 4. Okay, the details are, if your left leg is tucked in, your right knee is going to be up and in front of your front foot, your left foot. And your right arm is going to be on that knee. The other arm is going to be supporting behind. Then we're going to open up the arm and we're going to unfold, put the other leg down, bring the other foot in front, and switch hands. Trying to keep the body upright and the spine nice and strong. Just like this. So you unfold, hand down, fold. Unfold, hand down, fold. Just like that.